Hi, I'm Brittany Scanlon, Executive Director of Cedar Valley Habitat for Humanity. Habitat for Humanity is a nonprofit organization building homes for families in need of safe, decent, and affordable housing. Cedar Valley Habitat for Humanity is a recipient of up to $400,000 in solar blocks from the Alliant Energy Community Solar Program. The solar blocks are available at no cost to our current partner families who are Alliant Energy electric customers. Over the 20-year life of the garden, Alliant Energy will issue up to $600,000 in build credits, bringing the estimated total donation to $1 million. Cedar Valley Habitat homeowners will receive enough solar blocks to cover up to 50% of their electric usage, which will result in a monthly solar bill credit. We appreciate Alliant Energy's donation from their community solar project and their willingness to help us support local families. Alongside their affordable Habitat mortgage, this partnership will further empower Cedar Valley Habitat homeowners through savings on the cost of their energy bills. Taking away the pressures of staying housed and keeping the lights on allows our families to focus on opportunities to improve their health, transportation, education, employment, and more. The Cedar Rapids Community Solar Garden is a great addition to our community, creating renewable energy well into the future.